They asked to find vertex focus of the hyperbola and length of the lateral septum. In hyperbola we have two types is there. So parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. So major axis, instead of major axis using word here transfer axis and the conjugative axis. So the major axis parallel to y-axis, parallel to here x-axis, here y-axis. How to identify? Here x square term is a positive. So the transfer axis parallel to the x-axis. So transverse axis parallel to the x-axis. Here transverse axis parallel to y-axis. How to identify? Here y term is positive. Here x term is positive. Here y term is positive. It's very important here to select the a squared value and b squared value. Here x squared term is positive. So that denominator only you have to take here. So here a squared equal to 16. Same way here y squared only positive. That denominator value is a. So a squared equal to 9. Now you want to write from that we can write a value. So a equal to 4. Here b squared equal to 9. Then b equal to 3. Like that remaining value we have 27. So 27 here b squared. So b squared equal to 27. Then we can write b equal to 3 root 3. Here 2. You can write a equal to 3. So a squared equal to 9, a equal to 3. Now they asked to find vertex and focus. In that center should be 0, 0. So vertex we can write a, 0. So vertex first one they take as a. So a, 0. Here a value is 4. So 4, 0. Second vertex take as a b minus a, 0. So minus 4, 0. Then you want to find the focus. Before that you find the e value, then only able to find the ae value. So e equal to square root of 1 plus b squared by a squared. Then square root of 1 plus, here b squared is 9 by 16. Then square root of 16 plus 9 by 16. Then square root of 25 by 16. E equal to 5 by 4. Then you want to find ae value. So ae equal to 5 by 4 multiply with 4, then ae value is 5. Then focus f1, take as a ae, 0, then that become a 5, 0. Then f2 focus minus ae, 0, then minus 5, 0. Suppose they ask to find the length of the transfer axis. The length of transfer axis, that is equal to 2a. So 2 into 4, it become 8 units will come. Then they ask conjugative axis. The length of conjugative axis is 2b. So 2 into b value is 3 equal to 6 will come. Then length of lateral septum. Length of lateral septum 2b squared by a. So 2b squared by b squared value is we have a 9, a value is 4, then become a 9 by 2 units. He has to find length of lateral septum. So 2b squared by a, then b squared value is 9, a value is 4. Then if you eliminate 2 one times possible in 2 times, so 9 by 2. That is the length of lateral septum. Suppose he has to draw the diagram. Just you draw the diagram for hyperbola x and y. First you take the vertex center 0, 0 origin. A vertex we have 4, 0 and minus 4, 0 second vertex. So approximately it will come here a 4, 0. Then b second vertex minus 4, 0. Then focus we have a 5, 0. So f1 5, 0. Then f2 minus 5, 0. So approximately draw the diagram like that. So here that is a conjugative axis. This is a transfer axis. Suppose they ask to find the directory also you can find and draw. But they ask, I didn't ask directory. If they ask, you have to find the equation directory also. X equal to a by e. So you want to draw directories will come 1 and 2. That is equal to x equal to a by e will come. we know the A value and we know the E value, substitute there, then it become a 16 by 15 will come. Equation directory, suppose they ask, this is a 16 by 15, here this directory is x equal to minus 16 by 5, 16 by 5 and minus 16 by 5, like that. The second question they given y squared by a minus x squared by 27. So y is a positive, the denominator only we have to take as a squared, so remaining one take as a b squared. After finding a and b, we have to find the e value. So e equal to 1 plus b squared by a squared, then 1 plus 27 by 9, and cross multiply 9 plus 27 by 9, it become a 36 by 9, then it become a 6 by 3, e value 6 by 3, then center as usual 0 comma 0, vertex first one a, 0 comma a, so a value is 3, so 0 comma 3, then second vertex 0 comma minus a, then 0 comma minus 3, then focus you want to find AE value, so AE equal to 6 by 3 into 3 is equal to 6 will come. So first focus one you can take 0 comma AE, so 0 comma 6, second focus 0 comma minus AE, so 0 comma minus 6, then transfer axis, length of transfer axis 2a, so 2 into 3 it becomes 6, then length of conjugative axis 2b, 2 into 3 root 3 it becomes 6 root 3, then length of lattice sectum 2b squared by a, so 2 into 27 by a equal to 3, if eliminate 9 will come, then 18, length of lattice sectum 18. Equation of directories, y equal to a by e, here a value is 3, e value is 2, so we have plus or minus, so 3 by 2 equation of directories. If you draw the diagram, so vertex we have a 0 comma 3 and f1 we have 0 comma 6. So here y is a transfer axis and the x axis is a conjugative axis here. Then a second vertex b is 0 comma minus 3 and second focus 0 comma minus 6. If you draw the diagram like that, then directories y equal to 3 by 2 and y equal to minus 3 by 2.